Hey guys, welcome back to Awesome Evan Games. Today we are playing part 2 of Haunted Legends number 3, The Undertaker Collector's Edition. And I am so sorry that I done the second part much later. I had been having trouble with it because of glitches, so it's Glitch's fault. But finally, now I'm doing the second part. So we had left off in here with our cute little Monday friend over here. You again? This is no time for games. I got things to do. Well, it's kind of funny since we are playing a game. Huh? Sorry about that. I was just checking something. So anyways, we have a deer, shears, a red fish, and a skull. So let's take a look at the hatch up here. And then we are going to use the skull here. Alright, so we just got ourselves a puzzle. Remove all the balls by creating matches. Click between two balls and to place the one from the skull's mouth. Alright, so we got a quick but simple and easy puzzle. See? Very quick and simple. Alright, so now let's get out the hatch. Ah! I met some dangerous living people. I can't imagine what to expect with dead ones. Ah, zombies! Zombies! Alright, so, one reason why I'm playing this game, because I thought it would be a perfect Halloween game, and the reason why I thought it would be a perfect Halloween game is one answer that starts with a C and end with an S. Zombies. Alright, so what you just saw, two zombies right there. Every single time we see some zombies, we're just gonna stop what we're doing and freeze until they go away. That's what I'm gonna do. Just saying. But, hello? 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 He's not dead, but something is definitely wrong with this man. Hello? Blah, 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 blah. Hello? Answer me. Blah, blah. Yeah, he's a bit weird, but this hat is moving.
What happened to me? How long have I been here? Oh, I'm so tired. Wait, I think I remember something. It all started when a strange little man knocked on our door and said he could solve all our money problems if I exchanged an old mirror for his amulet. I took the amulet, but didn't give him the mirror. I wanted to test the thing first, but nothing happened. I told my friend Frank about it, and he just laughed. I got real angry at Frank and said some things I didn't mean. He died the next day. Oh, it was hard to bury him. But just a day after the funeral, he rose up from the grave. Frank killed a sailor and I buried that fella, but his grave was empty the next day, too. It's a cycle that repeats every day. The people I bury come back and go after the living. And the worst part is that all these funerals have brought in more money than I've ever seen, just like I was promised. Please, find the person responsible for Frank's death. He's the one who started this nightmare.
Alright, so apparently something started all the zombies somehow, but the one person that started off as a zombie is Steven's friend. Yeah, this is Steven. Steven's friend, Frank, the baker. And supposedly he was the first one. So, based on what Mr. Fisher told me, it sounds like I need to find that strange man. Yeah, but... Wait, is that the amulet? It's definitely not a lucky amulet like SG told Fisher. So, right now in our inventory is the cursed amulet that supposedly by SG was the lucky amulet. Not so sure about that. But here's a torch. Alright. He's hard at work now. Yeah, he will have to do that. Why, hello, owl. The owl seems to want me to follow it. I hope it's one of those wise owls. Oh, goodbye, owl then. But let's check to see where it landed first. Ah, here's the tombstone that had the code that we needed earlier. But here's the spring. And here's some notes. Buried, Friday 16, Frank Crusay, Baker. Saturday 17, Donald Brunt, Sailor. Sunday 18, Mary Brown, Richard Clerk, Allison Clerk, Effinger Cook. Monday 16, Thomas Smith, Emma Carter, Roger Moore, Lisa Wood, Brandon Cook, Edwin Grimm. 721, the code that we had earlier. Well, that's just a lot of people that died and got buried. But let's take a look at the second place that the owl landed at, which is this tree. And looks like here's some boards in here. So let's move them. And here's something in here. A very odd looking screwdriver, which looks like a corkscrew. But, let's take a look at this chapel sort of thing. So, one of the skull plaques is obviously missing. So we need a skull plaque there. But here's a bridge. Alright, and let's take a look here. Holy moly! That zombie almost got me. How can I drive him away? That's a bit weird. A zombie underneath the bridge. But let's use the torch to drive him away. Alright. And, a broken bridge is not the way to progress. So, yeah. But let's turn this lever. Hey! I barely touched that handle. I guess just about everything is broken around here. But here's the handle. So the bridge handle. So, a deer is missing. Well, we have a deer, so let's use it here. It's time to see if the mechanism works and start it up. So now let's place the bridge handle here because of the missing deer. It's spraying off. Alright, let's turn it. Oh. The retraction mechanism needs to be connected to the bridge. Well, here's the spring, so let's use it here. Alright. Okay. Let's try again. Finally! We repaired the bridge, so now let's go forward. He can vanish into thin air too? So there really is some kind of magic involved here. Yeah. But teleportation is kind of cool if you think about it. But if it's him, that spells trouble. But it's creepy around here. Oh. What's with this ship? It looked like it had sucked in. Or sunk. That's not creepy at all. Okay. Oh. I recognize that slow, aimless shuffling. Another zombie. Ooh. But he keeps appearing and appearing, so we can't just freeze on him. He just appears there. But here's something here. And here's one of our stale collecting things. You know, yeah. Yeah, we have a Destiny fish thing where we have to find all its stales. So we had already found one, and here's another one. Owl. Alright. Ooh. Whose grave is this? It's completely overgrown with vines. Well, here's shears here, so let's use it here. Wait, we have shears, so let's use it here. I accidentally said that a little bit weird. Rest in peace, Ben Fisher and Brenda Fisher. Looks like the Fisher family had been living in this village for ages. Huh. Well, here's a green fish. Alright. Oh, there you are, monkey. I'm beginning to think you're following me. Well, don't get into any trouble. Yeah, but let's take a look over here and... Ooh, here's some rope. Let's pull it up. And hey, there's something attached to it. An angel? Okay, well, let's take a look over here and... My fishing is good. But I can't see through things. I should unscrew the door. Well, we have a screwdriver, so let's unscrew the screws. Alright, and let's remove the door. And here's something in here. Okay. Well, there was something behind the scroll. A scroll. Okay. The monkey's gone. Wonder where he would be right now, though. But let's go down. And let's take a look over here. Wow, that loud sound scared me. It was the sound of the scroll appearing. because it was needed here. But wow, that scared me. Okay. Well, let's use the skull here. Recreate the pattern to the left. Use the side buttons to shift skulls and click and drag to rotate a disc. Well, this is a hard puzzle, so I'm just gonna wait for the skip button to load, and then I'll skip it, and yeah. Alright, so I skipped the puzzle, and the doors to the chapel open, so now let's go forward. Do you want to show me something? Or are you just messing around? Oh, wait. Oh, I can't reach any further without falling, and I'll have to rig something up. Yeah, so we'll need to get that somehow, but looks like there's a place. Ooh, some stairs. There might be a way to get through there, but there's just this. And there must have been two more statuettes in this empty slots. Well, this is an angel. We do have an angel, so let's use it here. And we just need another angel. But, ooh, it's no use trying to explore this area by feel. Yeah, that won't be good. I need some light. Well, let's use the torch here again. Alright, and look! Here's some sparkles over here, which means hidden object time! Alright, so let me just skip this tutorial. And everyone, welcome to this type of hidden objects thing. So, you know finding items and stuff, huh? Well, we have interactive hidden object scenes, and this is one of them. There's several in this game, so this is the first one. So instead of finding stuff, you have to do and find stuff and then get an item. So right now we have to find a hammerhead, hammer, T, wrench, bolt, and stuff. But here's a hammerhead. Alright, and we need to look around and see what we can do. So, if I could just unscrew this bolt. If I want to see what's inside, I'll need to break this chain somehow. This thing is only in halfway. What would happen if I hammer it in? And let's take a look over here. A piece of the border is missing. Okay. This handle looks like it belongs to a tool. Well, we have a hammerhead, so let's use it here. And let's get the hammer. Alright, so we need to find acid too. But, the lid is stuck, and my finger won't fit in the hole. Maybe I can use something as a handle. This padlock isn't easy to break. I need a key. Well, we have the hammer, so let's use it to smash this thing over here. And some of the stuff crumbled away, revealing a T. Alright, so then we need to find a bas-relief. I was just listing the stuff that we need to find for the scene, but now we have the T, so let's open this padlock. And the chest opened a bit weird, but there was a wrench inside. Alright, and let's use the wrench to unscrew the bolt. And here's the bolt. And let's use the bolt to open up this pot. And here's some acid. And let's use the acid to break the chains that's covering this book. Alright, the book's open and here's a bas relief piece. Alright, so let's take a look over here and we have the bas relief piece, so let's use it here. Alright, it opened and our item is a decorative insert. That was fun, right? Yeah, so we have a decorative insert. So let's take a look at this angel over here. And oh, looks like there's some embellishment missing. Well, we have the decorative insert, so let's use it here. Wow, look at all these feathers that fell down. Click and drag to place the feathers correctly. Alright, so we have a puzzle to place the feathers back into its original place, so puzzle. And some of the feathers moved, revealing us an angel. Alright, so let's take a look over here and place the other angel here. Well, hello, Monty. Oh, there's some stairs. So now let's go forward. Zombie! I'm surrounded by the nightmare. Quick, please! Alright. The zombie's gone. She's gone. So now let's take a look over the area where she was. Oh, hello. Oh, here's an item, so let's take it. Oh, he's a snappy fellow. Maybe I can wedge something in between the shell halves. Well, it looks like I'm not having that item right now. Oh! I might need that pan, but not at the price of burnt palms. Okay. Looks like there's also an item on there, but we can't take that either. Hey, there's one of those ships sunk. Looks like stuck. Here's a rowboat. Well, hello, ocean zombie. Yet another zombie. I will make a game of counting them, but I already lost track. But, here's a ped leg. Jeez, he's loud. The rod is in good condition, but it lacks fishing line and a hook. Oh, need some fishing line and hook there. I'm in a zombie-infested town. Maybe the light pecan can help me. Ooh, hello, pecan. Hey, Monty. Where did you go? I keep losing you. Hello. But here's an item here. Missing a hook. Alright. A powerful light like this might be useful. Right, look over here. A fishing line with hook at the fishing rod. And let's take the fishing rod. Alright. And let's down. And look! The sparkles are back over here, which means heading off to time. Alright. Let's see. Glue, fly, spade, matches, and lamp. Alright, so here's a box of matches. Hello, fly. Wait, the fly definitely lights this area. I could probably catch it here. Wonder how though. But let's pull this arrow. Oh, it turned the shield. And look, there was something behind it, which is glue. Alright, and let's use the glue right here to catch the fly. I think we just caught it. Like, we just put glue on the fly. That was funny. I didn't mean to do that. But let's take the fly. Alright. A feminist spider's bite can be vengeful. I can't remember how to say that word. Maybe I should lure her away. Well, we have a fly, so let's use it here. Sorry, fly, but I have to get the spade that was behind the spider. Something is sticking up from the soil. Time to get digging. Well, let's use the spade here. And here's a lamp. It's an oil lamp. What if I light it up? Well, we have matches, so let's use it here. And here's a lit lamp. Alright, if I want to open this packet carefully, I need to melt the ceiling wax. Well, we have a lamp that's burning, so let's melt the ceiling wax with it. And here's our item, a bicycle horn. Alright, and let's take a look over here and use the fishing rod here. To get a lamp handle. Alright, so let's go forward through here. And let's take a look over here and use the lamp handle here. And let's pull up the lever. Alright, so now let's look in the cave. And hello, bats. These bats definitely prefer not to be disturbed. Sorry, bats, I must disturb you using the bicycle horn here. That's better. Now I can explore the cave. Here's a body of water. And here's a scale. Sun. So, that's it. And let's take a look over here and use the peg leg here to get this. Pliers. And let's use the body of water here. And here's a yellow fish. And a frying pan. Alright, so let's go down and down. And let's go over here. To this date. Here's a piece of paper. I'm pretty sure I know which Monday they're talking about in this flyer. Missing! Small caption Monday. Hard to miss. Reward for safe return. Oh yeah, I definitely know which Monday they're talking about. So maybe that's why there was a Monday in this game, because someone lost it. Aww. Well, let's take a look at the date lock. Hello, Monday. A fish-shaped lock is certainly suitable for this town, but the fish are missing. Well, here's a red fish, a green fish, and a yellow fish. So let's use them here. there he is, doing something with the mirror again. Ah, SG. But there was some zombies. Ah, thank goodness they went away immediately. But I'm afraid we might have to end the video here. So like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't. And I'm glad that I'm finally doing videos again. But so thanks for watching part 2 of Haunted Legends number 3, The Undertaker Collector's Edition. And this is Usman Games. Bye.